Introduce you to Kamora Freeland, a trailblazing 17-year-old from Staten Island who just got her pilot's license. She is, in fact, a rarity because less than 4% of pilots and flight engineers are black. Well, tonight, the story of two New York cops from Brooklyn who are trying to change that 4% number. And so they've launched a program to teach other young New Yorkers to fly, including Kamora, to fly for free. That's how you inspire a new generation. Here's Long Island reporter Shantae Lands.
Decked in blue, two of New York City's finest, NYPD officers Milton Davis, now retired, and Cleet Titus, former partners in Brooklyn, have another reason to sport blue. Brooklyn! They teach inner city youth how to fly for free.
You tried to go get your pilot license today at a traditional school, it'll cost you anywhere from $18,000 to $20,000 for your first right rating. And think about that. That right there is just a huge barrier.
It's what stopped him as a bedside Brooklyn kid. Now he's determined to change course. Launching United Youth Aviators, teaching kids in the cockpit how to take off.
Rotate, pull back. Bravo 2. Good job.
And speak with air traffic control.
6097 Golf, holding short at runway 19.
At 19 what?
Southeast, 19, Bravo 2.
Bravo 2, clear for takeoff. My girl.
Vidya Motalal from Ozone Park, Queens, is just 12 years old.
I use a booster seat because I'm a little short, but it's okay.
2019, we put it together. We start off with a summer camp.
My name's Ronald West. I'm 14. I'm part of the United Youth Aviators program.
Ronald West from Harlem and Brooklyn was among the first to participate.
All right, stand down. We will call my base 97 Golf.
And one of 5 teens out of 50 taking free ground courses to earn their private pilot's license. What do you feel when you're up there?
Free. It's just like nothing on my mind but the plane in the sky. It was a totally new experience for me. It like opened up a whole new world for me. I'd always wanted to fly, but like seeing it and actually doing it, it was like, it was crazy.
Vidya, a middle schooler originally from Guyana, has been flying for 2 years.
I was scared of heights at first, but then when I got into plane, I was okay. Mr. Titus was always there to help me.
From fighting crime to flying planes, these friends are awaiting funding to help even more kids.
We got over 100 kids on the waiting list, so it'll be great to get more kids off that list with more funding.
In Farmingdale, Shantae Lands, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.